Thank you, God, for all you've done, and the grace that flows on. In the night and in the day, goodness and mercy leads my way. Years may come and years may go, but your love is all I know. Through the storms and gentle breeze, your peace puts my soul at ease. Hearts may break and tears may fall, still your wonders they still show.